now as we come into it. Off to the left-hand side, you can see the cameras and the lights are all set up. Back in the far back from the corner, you can see the craft services table. Craft services is a food table where they keep snacks for the actors. And here are the modern day posters we talked about, the Coca-Cola, the Minute Maid, American Express. There's a little homage to the Music Man that got filmed in Courthouse Square. The 76 trombone scene filmed in our Courthouse Square. The poster for the Music Man's are homage to that. Looks pretty good. I like this set a lot. I like what they've done. Okay, but that's just a little, oh, okay, no, it's the real deal. This is the real deal. Which you got? My monitor's out. Real deal. Like everybody, please remain calm. My monitor, quickly watch out. The ceiling is dropped down. We have a semi-truck in a minute. Alright, let's hope these bullets can withstand all the shaking that we're going through right now. We got a fire back there. Everybody, please remain calm. Panic. Okay, okay. Whoa! What's that noise? We got water, we're flooding, we're gonna drown!